In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset temporary hide isolate in Revit using the light bulb icon. If you've ever been working in a view and noticed parts of your model seem to be missing, there's a good chance temporary hide isolate is turned on. This is a handy feature for focusing on specific elements, but it can be confusing if you forget it's active. The quickest way to bring everything back is to use the light bulb icon on the view control bar. Here's what to look for. At the bottom of the Revit window along the view control bar, you'll see a small light bulb icon whenever isolation is active. Think of it as a visual reminder that this view isn't showing everything. That icon is your cue that some elements are temporarily hidden or a portion of the model has been isolated. If you see that light bulb, you'll know exactly why something appears to be missing. Now, to get your view back to normal, simply click the light bulb icon. When you click it, a small menu appears with options related to visibility. From that menu, choose Reset Temporary Hide Isolate. The moment you do, Revit clears any temporary visibility overrides applied in this view. All elements that were hidden or isolated return to their standard visibility settings, and you're back to a complete, accurate view of the model. A couple of clarifications will help this feel seamless. Temporary hide isolate affects only the current view and only for the current session of visibility. It doesn't delete or modify elements, and it doesn't change visibility in other views. It's meant for quick, focused work, so resetting it is safe and reversible. If you reset and something still doesn't appear, it may be hidden for other reasons, such as view range, categories turned off, work sets, phases, or view filters. In that case, check your visibility/graphics settings, but for most day-to-day situations, the reset command brings everything right back. If you're working in a busy model, make it a habit to glance at the bottom of the window whenever your view seems off. That light bulb is an instant diagnosis. And when you're done isolating, clicking it and choosing Reset Temporary Hide Isolate keeps you moving without digging into deeper settings. That's all there is to it. Look for the light bulb